I'm here at the local hospital, guys. I call Springwood Park of Cinderella Drive my hospital, and that is because I come here to listen to the birds, which lowers my blood pressure. I come here to breathe pure air from the trees. Standing down any of these trees and breathing that amazing air that cleans my lungs, that actually made my daughter's, my daughter had a family member that lived a long time and smoked forever, guys. She nearly turned 100. So I believe trees, do heal lungs even of smokers. So this is my hospital, guys. The sound of birds lowers my blood pressure and it calms every cell of my body, relieves my cells of stress. How amazing!